What up, YouTube? And I would say all my Riker riders, but no more. Well, I can't say no more of that, but something new coming to the channel. Alright, so I guess you can see it. I've got myself a Can-Am Maverick Turbo. We are in the process of making it fully street legal, and we'll be registering it and driving it around the streets. Check it out. So what I also want to do is I'm going to be wrapping it. Shout out to the sponsors, Bright Lights, who are going to be sponsoring this whole build and this vehicle as it rides around. So follow me while I wrap this bad boy. So this is the bad boy, and this is the company, Bright Lights. So they sent me a whole sheet of graphics here, stars and the wording, and I'll be wrapping it. I already had started. It's pretty much, this is just vinyl. Just a little bit of cleaning and some heat gun, a little bit of cleaning. And we are just attaching the vinyl. Gonna add some more graphics all over. It's gonna say Bright Lights. It's gonna be lit up like crazy. Then I'm gonna show you the other things I've done to it later on to show you the build of how to make it street legal. Here's the vinyl sign or lettering, and I just got to figure out what are the best spots to put it in to make it pop. So I'm just planning things out. I already know the big letters go on the side. I gotta add another star over there, and these little words can go all over, like on the bars and the roof and stuff like that. So let's get to work. think the next one I should use is a smaller star there in that corner. So let's put a star there. So I'm gonna hit this with a little heat gun to get it to stick really, really good. What?
So this might be too hot.
I don't even want to leave this shit in here no more.
Sure, what?
So I don't even want to leave it here no more.
How do you already know?
So man, once I get that lock in, I can put it in front of the house.